Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look with all drugstore makeup and limited supplies. So let's see how this goes. Right now I'm just putting on this serum stuff. It's I think hyaluronic acid and vitamin C, and it keeps my skin looking nice, as you can see. Now I'm just putting some Vaseline on my lips, and this is an eyeliner slash lip liner thing that I got from the Dollar Tree, and it literally costs only $1, like $1, guys. And this is what I use all the time to do my eyebrows. But today my eyebrows were not cooperating, but I mean, it's what I always use for my eyebrows, and it's in the color black brown. Now that I have my eyebrows drawn and filled in, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, I believe. As you can see, this color is super light, and when I bought it, I didn't mean for it to be that light, but I mean, I didn't feel like going back to the store to buy another one, so I've just been using this one, and as you can see, the bottle is about gone. So I'm gonna have to go buy another one, and this time I will buy it in the correct color. And the only thing is, whenever I use this, because the color is so light, I have to go in and try to blend it out, and it takes a lot of blending. Now I'm just going in with this brush that I bought from the beauty supply store. It came as a part of a set, and it was really cheap, like I think $3. And I'm just trying to blend out that concealer. As you can see, I'm having some trouble. Like, my eyebrows, again, they were not cooperating. Guys, please tell me in the comments if you have this much trouble doing your eyebrows, because I know I cannot be the only one. Okay guys, don't laugh at my face palette. Wow. I only have 2 powders left, and then a highlight, but I'm using the powder to try and help me finish blending out this concealer to get me ready to do my eyeshadow. This is an LA Colors palette that I bought from Walmart, and I really like the colors, although I wish it were a little bit more pigmented, but that really doesn't matter for this look because I'm doing kind of like, you know, a simple muted everyday look. The second eye palette that I'm using is this Maybelline palette that I bought from, I want to say, Walgreens, and it was also very cheap. Like I said, this is a drugstore makeup look. Everything in this video is cheap. Everything that I use in this video is under $6, so cheap. You guys thought I forgot about you. No, but now I'm doing my eyeliner. I'm just using an eyeliner that I bought from the dollar store, specifically Dollar General. And sometimes I use liquid eyeliner, but I don't really like it. The only time I use liquid eyeliner is if I'm putting on eyelashes, and I barely wear eyelashes, so I'm just gonna, you know, do a simple little line, and that's good enough for me.
What's really bad is nobody knows how much it takes. So every time you use it, you risk dying. It isn't worth it. Look.
Here I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Foundation, and I've seen this offer in Walmart, but I think it's over $6 in Walmart, but I bought mine from my local Dollar General and it was under $6. I can't remember exactly how much. I want to say around $5, but I know it was under $6. Here I'm using some foundation by Black Radiance, and this is available in Walmart. And I'm just only putting this under my eyes. Here I'm using the darkest color that was on that face palette that I held up earlier, and I'm just, you know, putting it along my cheekbones, trying to do a little contouring. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm doing it. is a highlight by Black Radiance that I bought from, guess where? Correct, Walmart. And I'm just putting it on the bridge of my nose and under my eyebrows, and later I put some on my cheeks just to highlight the places that I think should be highlighted. Again, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I saw some people on YouTube do this, so that's where I'm putting it. I bought this NYX matte lip cream from Walmart, and I love this brand because even though it's matte, it doesn't make my lips feel dry. Like, they still feel moisturized. And whenever I put this color on, it looks lighter on camera than it actually is, but I'm not satisfied with the color once I put it on, so I came back in with this other matte lipstick that I bought from the beauty supply store to try to make it darker, but then I'm still not satisfied with the color. So then I go back in with a black eyeshadow to try to darken it up a little bit more. There you have it, guys. A simple drugstore makeup look, and I know it will probably look better with eyelashes, but I only wear eyelashes if I'm going out or doing something special. It's not something that I wear every day. But leave a comment and let me know what you think. Like the video, subscribe. Have a good day.